Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to review two wonderful ways of rocking that are great for loosening up your hips and allowing you to have a little bit more access to your movements. So the first way, first of all, this is rocking, just getting on your hands and knees, eyes and head up on the horizon, rocking back and forth. And if you're not doing this, you are missing out on a miraculous movement that just makes everything about your body better. All right, but from here, this is what I call adductor rocking, and this is a great way to loosen up or discover your adductor muscles, and it's a gentle way to give them a little love and attention. And if we move the foot up front, now this is a gentle way to find your hamstrings and give them a little bit of gentle love and attention. But the thing about rocking is rocking is usually done on the ground. But you may not always be able to get on the ground, or there may be periods in your life where, well, it's just not a good idea. Maybe you're injured, maybe the ground's dirty, whatever. So we can do all this standing up with a prop. So what we're gonna do is the exact same thing. So first of all, we can just rock the regular way, and this is fantastic for your hips and your shoulder and your spine, by the way. So this is the regular way, or we can do the adductor rocking by putting the foot out. Oh my gosh, you will still discover your adductor muscles right here. You'll be highly aware that you have those. And if we want to address the hamstrings, we stagger our stance and we sink back down into it. Hello, hammies. Woo, there they are. And we just rock back and forth here. This is a phenomenal way to activate your vestibular system, bring stability to your shoulders, your hips, your knees, and your ankles, while you're bringing mobility to them as well. Because when you're building stability, you are building mobility. They're a pair. Anyway, so from the side for the hamstring thing, because you probably couldn't see that all that well, you just stagger your stance. And when you rock back, you sit back down, good hip hinge. You sit back down and you're gonna discover these muscles right here, the hammies. By the way, this is great for foot mobility. If you wanna raise the toes up and really sink back, hello. You can do that, you don't have to, you can just sink back. But these are fantastic movements to do standing up that are just good for your entire body. You will not be disappointed if you spend 3 to 5 minutes every day doing a variation of these movements. You're gonna move well, you're gonna feel well, and life is just gonna be better. Anyway, give that a shot. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.